नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूं Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer. An ideal 3D printer for beginners with a size of 8.7 by 8.7 by 9.84 inches. It has 5x high speed than others, more than 65% shorter time when printing the same model. It has new integrated extruder. The newly upgraded extrusion system and cooling system melt filaments quickly through the 60W hot end. At the same time, it is equipped with a 7000 RPM cooling fan to ensure rapid cooling and molding of the model. Machine gives details even better than others. Apply the linear propulsion and input shaping functions in Marlin firmware to reduce spillage and print resonance, improve print quality and stability, and create smoother and clearer model details. Novices can also produce high-quality works for their first print. With the design of a unique module, the Z-axis offset is intelligently compensated after automatic leveling, and the Z-axis compensation value is supported to meet the needs of different users and usage scenarios, so as to start creation efficiently and easily, and also for novices. More function. A. Fast assembly, integrated structure and modular design. B. 4.3-inch large-size touchscreen, easy to operate. C. Double gear extrusion system is able to reduce the chances of filament tangle and compatible with PLA and flexible filaments. D. Resume print and material breakage detection. E. Safe power supply. An ideal, best and faster 3D printer for beginners. Buy now from Amazon. Link in description and also in comment box. Refer the below link and avail discount and lucky buyers will get free shipping.
वीडियो को शेयर करें, लाइक करें। Amazon प्रोडक्ट्स वीडियो, मोटिवेशनल वीडियो, स्पिरिचुअल वीडियो और सत्य से जुड़े वीडियो को देखने योगी बबास चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।